I'll reveal how to create a balancing jig fixture prototype for the model airplane. The jig fixtures used to measure the lateral and longitudinal axis of the aircraft during the real aircraft manufacturing stage. Let's apply this to balancing and C.G. measurement of model aircraft. Would it be possible to have more fun flying if we purchase a new model airplane while measuring the C.G. and balancing of a repaired airplane that's damaged in a crash and go out to the airfield? Now let's begin. Let's first look at the specification of the jig fixture prototype I designed. Size: wide is 700 millimeters and long 700 millimeters and 1000 millimeters height. Let's look at the materials. I need 1000 millimeters aluminum profiles for the legs and 700 millimeters profiles for the frames and 700 millimeters profile for the C.G. cable. And this is stainless wire cable and stainless wire clamps and stainless steel eye bolts for the airplane and wrench bolts and self-tapping inserts for balance purpose. The assembly process is tedious, so I go through it at 10 times speed. Okay, I've made the leg first, and this is adjustable toe. I can make the control the height. Must keep the angle using these parts. Please make sure all the angles should be the 90 degrees. It's not complete. I tried one aircraft as a sample like this. This is BJ Class Nuance G2, which was recently repaired after a crash. I completed the aircraft balancing point work in advance on the nuance. I'll post the balance point work method in a later video. First, insert the battery in the battery bay and fasten the Velcro tape like this. Is very strongly, and located the balancing jig fixture and turn the aircraft over like this. And fasten the stainless eyeballs to the self-tapping. Insert here And that's the handy aircraft on the balance cable of a balancing jig fixture. Like this. Due to time constraints, I only checked the right axis of the aircraft. As for the balance work order, after completing the right axis, proceed with the longitudinal axis. Oops! Seriously, pitch adjustment is needed. This is how to make a balancing jig fixture for the model airplane. You can make the dispatch hot trim alignment with this balancing jig fixture. Thanks for watching and have a good flight.